Wood tropical plants or full sun. Tropical plants are some of the flashiest, most exciting plants in the world. If you're lucky enough to have a garden in a hot, tropical climate, grow a wide variety of brilliantly colored flowers and plants that will flourish in full sun. Hibiscus. Hibiscus plants produce brightly colored flowers whose unique shapes are often printed on fabric and paper. An icon of Hawaii, these hardy plants love bright light and can live for years with only minimal upkeep. Elephant's ear. Native to Southeast Asia, the elephant's ear is an exotic-looking plant with large, heart-shaped leaves. Several species of elephant's ear grow in full sun and in partial shade. Coconut palm. The palm tree is a classic tropical plant. This palm is a tough, useful tropical plant that loves sun and produces nutritious coconuts. Strelitzia. Strelitzia is a South African plant commonly seen in the tropics. This plant has tubular flowers that resemble the bird of paradise. Strelitzia has striking, palm-like leaves. Blue lady. Blue lady is a species of sun orchid, which is one of the most popular varieties. These flowers have a rich blue color and a sweet, unusual scent. They bloom for a short but memorable period of time and can live in bright sunlight.